Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use ReShade. But before that, you should install ReShade first. So go to any web browser and then kindly type reshade.me. Okay, tap this one. And then once you're here, you just have to simply click this download. So after you tap download, you will have to scroll down again. Okay, and then tap this one. So once you tap this, you will see a notification that this file or application is starting to download. Click this, go to your download folder, and all you have to do is to simply right click and then click run as administrator. Okay, tap this one. And then all you have to do is simply wait, tap the game, and then that's it. Now, in order to use ReShade, first is choose a rendering API. You will be prompted to enter the location to the game's .exe file and select the appropriate rendering API for your game after the ReShade. Utility has been installed. In terms of API, there are three choices. We have Direct 3D 9, Direct 3D 10 Plus, and OpenGL. Okay, so that's the first. Next, download standard settings or effects. So you just have to follow the steps, okay? So common shaders from an open site source, although installation procedure will prompt you to select the shaders, you can just download them all and select the appropriate effects when the game is finished. So you just have to go to this site here, okay? And then it will take some time to download and install these common effects. But doing so is crucial for ReShade to function properly. So you just have to go to that site, okay, and then kindly follow the instruction there. So after you download and install, it's time to turn on ReShade settings. You can begin playing your game after installation. The Shift plus F2 key combination must be pressed in order to launch the ReShade console. Then, under the ReShade menu, you must create a preset with a new name. Okay, so that's it. That's step 3. Okay, so the first is look for a rendering API. Next we have is install or download standard effects. And we have here turn on ReShade settings. Okay, so once you're done with this, finally, you can turn on or turn off whatever effects you deem most beneficial to your gaming experience. The following consequences are the ones that are most widely acknowledged. So here are the most or trending effects that users or gamers oftenly set to their games. So even in the darkest of games, ambient light improves the general illumination on the surfaces so you can see things more clearly. And then limited post-production picture effects are permitted via DPX or digital picture exchange, which offer better color control over the final image. So you just have to follow these instructions here. But first, of course, you have to install ReShade, go to reshade.me, and then you just have to follow these instructions. And then after that, you can change or you can choose the effects or whatever effects you want to use when playing GTA. So that's how to use ReShade. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.